Right here at this 10:05 candle, I gave my first 5-minute bearish fair value gap. Now, I have two potential entries to take here. Number one is as soon as the fair value gap here gets tapped, I could have taken the short position down to a new low. But me personally, I like to wait for a better entry that also lines up with my Fibonacci tools, right? So I'm looking at the high of the pre-market, which was at 9 a.m., and the low of the market, which was that golden pocket. Now, I see the golden pocket lines up as well with the fair value gap. So I'm waiting for that to get hit. So I enter right at that 0.5 that lines up with the fair value gap, set a stop loss, a closure above that fair value gap, and target a new low. So as you can see, price here enters the fair value gap, kind of wicks around it for a couple candles, and then sells off. So this would have been a trade I would look to get in. As you can see, pretty low risk, really high reward, and worked out perfectly. It all required for you to stay patient because, as I mentioned before, those inefficiencies that were built due to the gaps in the markets will at some point come and get retested. And when they get retested, that's when you can wait for your entries. Don't FOMO down here. Don't FOMO trying to chase these big candles. A good setup, a good trade will always give you multiple entries. You just have to wait for those entries, and your number one job as a trader is to stay patient and wait for your setups.